Welcome to CbPlus. On this video, we're going to cover the Reindex tool of it. So get into the CbPlus interface on the left side on the Reindex option, click on Setup. Reindex is a very useful tool to deal with some big mailboxes. Uh, when the mailbox gets too big, it may corrupt some of the indexes it uses to find messages on it. So the mailbox server works storing each message identifier on a database, and it doesn't store the whole message in the database but some metadata data, and it uses those to figure where the message is on the disk and then load that message when you want it. So when a mailbox gets too big, it can get messy, and this tool has the goal to fix those, reindexing the database. So select the domain so you can get the user you want to reindex it, and select the user you want to reindex. Some important stuff you need to know about it. The first thing is that the account you picked is going to be set into the maintenance mode, and this means that the user cannot access, he will just lost access to its mailbox, because when a mailbox is in maintenance mode, it's not reachable. So in order to avoid any corruption in the process, the account is put in the maintenance mode. Then Reindex itself starts to run. Depending on how big that mailbox is, maybe a CbPlus get lost. I mean, it can take from a minute, from a couple of seconds when the mailbox is small, up to, I don't know, 10, 12, 30 minutes on really big mailboxes. And of course, CbPlus is a web interface software, so it will just get an error of timing because it's taking too long. So that's why the status option is here, so you can keep an eye on those processes that are taking too long. If that is the case and you get into a too long reindex process, maybe CbPlus will be not able to restore that mailbox to its active status. If that happens, I mean, if the reindex ended and the mailbox is not back to its active status, you will have to do it manually using Carbonio's interface, right? So that is just a two big ifs. If that is such a huge mailbox that takes so long, and then maybe you will have to intervene manually because it just took too long. Just select the account and click Reindex. This account has nothing in it, so it's gonna be super fast. I mean, it's gonna take longer. It's just going to get into there and do the thing. Status is not going to help here because, well, there's not much to show since it's just done. So status idle means it's all done. When it takes too long, or if you pick the account and click status and it's not idle, it's gonna give you some informations about the progress of the Reindex itself, and when it's done, it's gonna show you idle. And if the account is not back to its active status, you have to do it manually. And this is how Reindex works on CbPlus.